Let me introduce FN Global Logistics. FN Global Logistics was founded in 1988 and now is a leader in enabling manufacturers and brands to significantly enhance their logistics operation. Their goal is to provide each of customer personalized service to fit their needs. Therefore, they provide a lot of services such as sea freight, air freight, warehousing, and so on. The FN Global Logistics vision is to be a leading freight and logistics group in Southeast Asia. They benchmark themselves against set quality audits which are ISO 9001 Quality Management Service, Occupation Health and Safety Management System, Environment Development System, Good Distribution, Practice for Medical Devices, and Halal certification for warehousing. FN Global Logistics top management is led by Dato Dr. Haji Nudin bin Haji Abdul Razak Chiu Chong-ket as a Group Managing Director. This company has 3 executive directors which are Gan Xiu-yong, Ong Long-chai, and Yang Hen-lan. Each executive director has their own responsibility. There are no executive director under executive director which are Alon Sim Kyun Lin, Chuan Kyung Hong, and Kwan Kian Kyung.
Industry structure of FM Global Logistics usually divided into 3 types, which is sea freight service, air freight service, and also land freight service. First, sea freight service is the core and largest segment of FM Global Logistics. It is a leading SCL and LCL freight service provider. There are strong network of international offices and agents located at all the major seaports, so it is able to ensure efficient and quality shipping of the cargo. Second is air freight service. FM Global Logistics manage both inbound and outbound shipments through KLIA and other major airports in Malaysia. It is equipped to handle all types of air freight shipments, including DG, high value, and sensitive shipments. Now I want to talk about how does FM Global Logistics operate the business. FM Global Logistics is a leader in enabling manufacturers and brands to enhance their logistics operation. It differentiates itself by offering its own operated freight services, thereby minimizing outsourcing. This enables them to offer reliable freight service to its diverse range of customers through its workforce of over 1,000 personnel, who are stationed in all the important maritime and air gateways of Malaysia.
I will continue the presentation by explaining about the services that provided by FM Global Logistics. Services that provided by FM Global Logistics are divided into 9 services, which is air freight, sea freight, custom brokerage, haulage and land transportations, cross-border trucking, 3PL and warehousing, tug and barge, e-fulfillment, and lastly, specialized logistics. For sea freight, the services that provided by FM Global Logistics are divided into 2 parts, which are FCL services and LCL services. FCL services are provided to the customer using complete logistic facilities and assets. FMGL ship approximately 140,000 goods annually. Less than container load are also known as the LCL services, are referred as the transport of small freight which do not require the full capacity of ocean container. The load is made up on less than 20 cbm cubic meter. Every year, FMGL handle approximately 600,000 cbm of LCL shipment. Next, average FMGL manage both inbound and outbound shipment through KLIA and other major airports in Malaysia. FMGL air freight are supported by global network of agents that selected for their expertise in air freight operations. FMGL is equipped to handle all types of the air freight shipment, including DG, high value, and also sensitive shipment. In addition, custom brokerage, FMGL offer it to all the major gateway of Port Klang, Penang, Johor, Ipoh, KLIA, and also Penang Airport. It enables FMGL to support customers who need a one-stop solution of freight, custom clearance, and delivery. Yearly, FMGL handle 100,000 jobs of import and export shipment. Next, haulage and land transportation. FMGL offer an intensive network in land transportation with a fleet of 70 prime mover, 550 trailer and 60 trucks. They also provide seamless online GPS tracking to ensure customers know every location of every shipment. Container haulage and conventional trucking are included in this haulage and land transportation. Not only that, FM Global Logistics also operate a cross-border trucking fleet which is efficiently handle FTL and LTL trucking services and custom brokerage that complement its multimodal services. Yearly, FMGL make 4,000 trips. 3PL and warehousing also one of the services that provided by FMGL. FMGL handle all customer entire warehousing process and all customer order are picked, packed and stored efficiently. Their warehouses are located around the Klang Valley, Johor and Penang. FM Global Logistics make sure the safety of their warehousing are in the highest level by providing 24-hour security and comprehensive CCTV surveillance. For e-fulfillment, FMGL helping customer by accelerate customer retail journey, helping businesses store, manage, protect, and also deliver goods directly to the customer. Not only that, they also analyze sales and provide support to drive incremental sales of product and goods. In addition, Touch and Push, FMGL currently operate a fleet of 8 pairs of Touch and Push. Each of it has a cargo carrying capacity that range from 3,500 to 5,000 metric tons per batch. Specialized logistics. The services are provided for the dangerous goods, pharmaceutical, vegetable, apparel, aviation and electronic parts. The purpose of this is to ensure that the safeguard and protections are in a place for each specialized products.
Now I will talk about the component of the company. There are 3 types of the component. Firstly is on land. FM Global Logistics provides 70 prime mover, 450 trailer and 60 truck. Yearly, FM Global Logistics have made 4,000 trips. Container haulage and conventional trucking are included in this land transportation. Second is on sea. With their strong network of international offices and agents located at all major seaports, they are able to ensure efficient and quality shipping of their customers' cargo internationally and between Peninsular Malaysia and Sabah Sarawak. Third is via air. FM Global Logistics also manage both inbound and outbound shipment through KLIA and other major airports in Malaysia. They can arrange the most convenient and economical route for any import and export shipment worldwide, including door-to-door services, general freight, and etc.
I will explain about general issue faced by the transportation. Transportation is a movement of goods and persons from place to place and the various means by which movement is completed. The first general issue faced by the transportation is low capacity for the land area caused congestion. It is the main challenges for the transportation. It is particularly linked with motorization of the automobile, which has been increased to demand for the transport infrastructure. Congestion and parking are also interrelated, since street parking consumes transport capacity, removing 1 or 2 lanes for circulation along the roads. This affects longer commuting, which define travel to and from work. Second issue will be the pollution and major source of carbon emission, which cause global warming. In this area, pollution also cause climate change too. The quantity of conventional greenhouse release into the atmosphere has been increased substantially since the Industrial Revolution and particularly over the last 25 years. The last issue will be public transport inadequacy. This issue raised when peak hours. During the peak hours, crowdedness creates discomfort for the public as the system copes with a temporary surge in demand. Nearly every public transit system can't raise enough money to cover its operating and maintenance costs. That's all for this topic. The first problem is low technology use. The technology defined to enhance business competitiveness and performance by improving overall effectiveness and efficiency of the logistics system. However, some companies fail to up to date with current technology. However, the degree of success depends on the selection of the right technology for the application of proper organizational infrastructure, culture and management policies. These logistic companies should choose right technology to satisfy the consumer need and also can accomplish the company's goal by improving their profit. The second problem will be congested traffic situation by this company. As we know, this logistic company which providing a lot of services. Since there are a lot of services, it increasing by traffic congestion. The other problem faced by this company is driver shortage. The factor that causes this problem is an aging workforce which has high average age of the existing workforce. Second factor for this particular problem is increasing regulation. Increasing regulation also play an important role in this transportation. With increasing regulation, companies have become selective when it comes to hiring drivers. The last problem is high operating costs. Excessive expenditure, misdelivered deadlines and damaged goods occur by poor logistic planning and decision making. This is why optimizing operation efficiency and reducing logistic costs are so important.
Now I'm going to tell the specific problem faced by FM Global Logistics. First and foremost, I feel prices contribute to a greater financial crisis and rising inflationary demands that places higher toll on the economy. Secondly, FM Global Logistics is lack of connection with end of customer as customers' demands get increased day by day. Another major problem is labor shortage due to retirements. The main problem for lack of labor is future job seekers still won't see transportation and logistics as a desirable economy. That natural asset cause much damage to lives, asset and the economy as a whole. For example, heat waves will likely to be more severe. Other than the heat, even the slightest rain can cause pavement friction, while heaviest rain can impact your visibility distance. One more problem arises in FM Global Logistics is negative sovereign creditworthiness. So due to trade friction, FM Global Logistics will be impacted. Next, I'm going to tell the future challenges faced by FM Global Logistics. Apart from advantage, FM Global Logistics is facing challenges both internally and externally. FM Global Logistics need to adapt to the rapid technological changes that affect the way business operates for Malaysia's digital economy to prosper. There is shortage of qualified workers in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, and inadequate emphasis on digital literacy and creativity, resulting in a less adaptable workforce to rapidly changing technology. Moreover, FM Global Logistics will face maritime issues. The rapid growth in container usage represents both revolution in maritime technology and a significant logistic challenges to economies in the region. FM Global Logistics cannot keep pace with the rapidly growing demand for berth and storage space. To achieve this integration, FM Global Logistics need to match inland with maritime infrastructure and develop an efficient freight forwarding industry. The next challenge is regarding ports and landing access. Then, FM Global Logistics is one of the leading international air freight service provider. The smaller and newer airports that can offer better services are also growing faster than the larger one. So, FM Global Logistics should complete and give better air freight services to maintain position in air transport-based freight service.
Now I want to talk about solutions which can carry out to solve the general problem. In order to up to date with current technology, companies have to invest in continuous team learning. It is the way management communicates with the employee and upskills them. To solve the congested traffic problem, company can provide vast parking zones and extend the existing parking areas. The company can also have a parking control and enforcement. For example, restricting on-street parking at critical points and restrictions on parking duration. To address the driver shortage problem, company can adjust the pay. This is due to issues like bad road condition and increased traffic will eat away at drivers' income if they are paid by the month. Company can also pay labor fees to drivers who have to load and unload their freight. Lastly, companies should embrace technology to overcome high operating costs as it promotes efficiency instead of manpower. While for problem faced by FM Global Logistics, which is problem with customers, it is necessary to deal with customers when problems arise. Companies should show the appreciation and give them the support they were looking for, which is follow up with them after they have expressed their complaint. For increasing in fuel price problem, company can control the fuel consumption during the shipping process. Lastly, to solve the natural problem like bad weather, a proper planning in advance is very important to take into account the expected delivery time. This also means emergency stock to enable continuous production in case of raw material delay.
Firstly, the critical success factor for this industry is information technology. Information technology can help to integrate communication, control, and information processing across different transport systems. Besides, transportation is a critical success factor because transportation can be analyzed to reduce the company expenses. Therefore, companies are always to find out the most efficient and the cost-effective way to get their product from point A to point B, and what the factor and trends determine the best way to deliver their product and what factor influence the freight demand. The critical success factor for FM Global Logistics is maintaining a highly diverse customer base to providing a wide range of service. Therefore, they are not overly exposed to any customer of industry. Secondly, quality management system is one of the critical factors because this system can help company to deliver quality service and operate at a high level of efficiency. They do not compromise on service quality although the high costs involved. Hence, customers were more satisfied to this company. Next is managing their business in a responsible, ethical, and balanced manner because it can help to ensure their initiative will continue to contribute to social, economic, and environmental development. They are organizing many philanthropy initiatives. Consequently, they increase reputation in the world. Last but not least, FM Global Logistics believe their workers as their greatest asset because they play a vital role in ensuring the success of their business. They provide fair and equitable remuneration and carry out training to their employees. Hence, workers will have more motivation to work because the effort of their workforce are recognized by FM Global Logistics.
Lastly, we can conclude that FM Global Logistics is doing delivery of goods to their customer. They provide various types of service where their service is include of 9 things. The first one is sea freight, second is air freight, third is custom brokerage, fourth is haulage and land transportation, fifth is cross-border tracking, sixth is 3PL and warehousing, 7 is tug and barge, 8 is e-fulfillment, and lastly is specialized logistics. FM Global Logistics always give their best service to the customer. By using their service, customers do not need to feel worried because their well-trained employee will handle the goods carefully, and this makes customer satisfied with their service given. And that's all from us.